In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into Hulu on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first go to Media and open the Hulu app. Now after the app is opened, go to Login and press X. Now here you can log in through on a computer or continue on this device. So we'll select continue on this device. So first you have to enter here your email. So let me enter test email. After entering email, go on done and press X. Then press X to continue. After you press X to continue, you will be taken to the password screen. So enter the password there and you will be logged in Hulu on PS5. So this is how you can do it, and thanks for watching.